The 2019 Maserati GranTurismo Zeda. Maserati is ending production of the current generation Gran Turismo by rolling out the GranTurismo Zeda, a one-off creation that commemorates the model's more than a decade-long run in the market. The Maserati GranTurismo Zeda comes with a lot of exclusive touches, none more prominent than a unique paint finish that separates its aesthetics from just about every Gran Turismo model that has hit the market in the last 12 years. There are currently no plans to offer the Maserati GranTurismo Zeda to the public, but a limited production run in the future hasn't been ruled out quite yet. Maserati GranTurismo Zeda exterior design. The GranTurismo Zeda wears a tri-color paint finish, mixing elements of blue, black, and white, transitioning from one color to the next in a subtle gradient. The respective finishes of each color are also different, beginning with the high-gloss sheen of the blue paint in the front and then ending with the satin white finish in the back. Maserati calls it a metallurgic effect. I call it awesome. The Maserati GranTurismo Zeda is provocative in ways you don't expect from a performance coupe, even if it carries the one-of-one label. The rest of the Zeda's exterior is standard. There are no fancy arrows throughout the body or other additional unique touches. Not that it needs them, because the GranTurismo Zeda is like a work of art on four wheels. You just look at it and you know you're looking at one of the most unique models you'll ever see. The Maserati GranTurismo Zeda features no interior upgrades. The extent of the GranTurismo Zeda's one-off label begins and ends in the exterior, as the interior has, apparently, been left untouched. That may be cause for disappointment for some, but it's not that big of a deal. Like most Maseratis, the GranTurismo Zeda already comes with a decked-out interior, complete with premium materials throughout the entire cabin and a suite of modern technological features that belie the fact that this is a decade-old model we're talking about. Front passengers are treated to a choice of low.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.